Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make the katsu curry made famous by Wagamama. Today we're going to give it a little Naga twist, as I know you like them hot. Don't worry if hot curry isn't for you, simply leave out the finger chillies and Naga pickle, and you'll have a mild dish the whole family will enjoy. As always, a full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. Now for the chicken. Katsu is normally served poured over a panko breaded chicken that has been shallow fried. I often cheat and simply buy something like this, which is just as good. To begin, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on a low to medium heat and add around 175 grams of finely chopped onion. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes to begin to soften and caramelise, stirring frequently so they do not burn. Stir in a couple of grated garlic cloves and 2.5 centimetre piece of grated ginger and fry for around 30 seconds until the bitter smell disappears. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of mild madras curry powder and a couple of sliced finger chillies for heat. Mix well to combine and continue to fry for a minute, adding a little of chicken stock to loosen if required. Sprinkle over 1 tablespoon of plain flour and mix in well, frying for a further 30 seconds. This will form a roux-like texture that will thicken the final dish. Add around 200 millilitres of hot chicken stock. I make mine with a chicken oxo and stir through well. Add 1 entire can, that's around 400 millilitres of coconut milk, as well as 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance the saltiness. Stir well and simmer until reduced by half, stirring every few minutes to ensure nothing begins to burn. If you're like me and you love a bit of Mr Naga in your curry, add around half a teaspoon and stir in well. That's your katsu sauce now complete. You can use it how it is or blitz in a blender if you want a really smooth sauce. Now for the chicken. If you want to make your own breaded chicken strips, simply take a couple of large chicken fillets and cut them into strips. Coat them in plain flour and dip them into some beaten eggs and then straight into the breadcrumbs. Carefully lower into oil at around 160 degrees and fry, turning once until they are fully cooked and crispy before removing to drain. Serve with plain boiled rice and a good covering of this fantastic katsu curry sauce. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.